What's going on, family? Look here, man. This some of my broccoli I ain't put in the ground yet. Look here. Hold on. Matter of fact, there's one over there, right here. I gotta get him out. I had to clean off and cut back a couple of them because you can see some pepper flakes. I put some red peppers. Let me see if I can get another angle. Some black pepper. This whole mound right here, all that was straight ants. I guess that pepper worked a little bit unless they just deeper down in there. Huh, look here. I'm experimenting, y'all. This thing was full of ants. That whole mound right there was ants. So I guess the red pepper flakes and the red pepper flakes and the doggone chili pepper flakes ran them off. Cause this was just yesterday. Now day before yesterday, I said I gotta do something about y'all. Now I don't know whether it's gonna hurt or help or whatever, but I'm still gonna do it. I'm still gonna do it, and then I'm gonna take I get them seeds out. Don't worry about them. I'm adding lemon juice so they don't come back. I don't know if the acid gonna hurt it or help it or what, but we all gonna find out. I'll let y'all know what it do. And I'm gonna take this right here, and this other one, I ain't even gonna use it. I'm gonna go put both of these. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show y'all where I'm gonna put them. Here. Y'all know what that is. This the new batch. This the freshest batch. That's that stink juice, baby. That's that stink juice right there. Just a little one. Just a little one. I had to make me another one. So I'm gonna put you off in here. I'm gonna put you off in here. And I'm gonna get you, sit you down in there. Get in there, boy. And put you in there. And I lost my doggone tank. I mean my top. So that's the reason why it stinks so good. That's why it's outdoors. That's why it's outdoors, because it stink real pretty. So yeah. There might be some hope for you, boy. You on there pretty tight. I'm gonna see. So I ain't even gonna break him or cut him off. I got some more broccoli over there. My deal is doing all right. Got a little leggy. Y'all see some of them laying over down there? It's about 5 of them, and they got real leggy, and they just fell over and never bounced back. But everything else doing pretty good. So I got this guy right here. Y'all can see how my peppers are doing. My peppers are still babies. They still babies, and I got these guys right here that ain't even broke soil yet. And here go the other ones. So they doing all right. Got nothing here. Everything coming along fine right there. I got that guy. And then I picked these up, man, for about $3. For actually $2. Got me a tomato plant. Yeah. We're going back to the basics. Just get a start, get something that's already growing, and take it from there. So I got a jalapeno. I'm gonna run with it. Got my tomato. I'm gonna run with her. And yeah, man. And shit, we just gonna let it do what it do, baby.